So I am doing spring cleaning around the house, and today I did the refrigerator. So just follow along with me, dreams. So please don't make fun of my refrigerator. It is a hot mess. I did let it go, but I will show you how I got it back organized and cleaned and disinfected. So here you're going to see me pour juices into some glass bottles that I purchased from Amazon. They're very, very inexpensive. You can get them in the pack of 12, 6, etc. They are dishwasher safe, and I did disinfect and wash these before I poured the juices into. I think they're a very good idea because I hate juice bottles because they're so unappealing, and I love everything to be appealing and organized and decorated. So that's why I opted for those glass containers. My kid loves them. So here you're going to see me just washing off some fruit and putting them into an airtight canister. I like this idea because the fruit's already washed and everything like that. And so I do use a paper towel at the very bottom to help keep it fresh. So here I'm just finishing up washing the bottom part of the refrigerator and disinfecting those as well. And I did clean out the entire refrigerator. I did not show it, but I did. So here's the final product. Here you have some bins that you can pull out easily. Take what you need and keep going. I love that concept. And as you see, I have my yogurt and my kid's snacks right there. So he's able to come and get a Lunchable if he would like and push it back in, and it stays organized. Here are those juice bottles I was talking about earlier. They are lovely. And you can pull these bins in and out as well. And at the top, we love coffee in the Dean's household. So I use the Lazy Susan to get to the things that we like to go to often. And since we drink coffee every day, I thought that was a good idea. And here's just the side of the refrigerator, regular. You see the fruit canisters from earlier. So you can just come and get fruit and put it back. Very, very easy. And here's my kid's compartment. He has extra juices down there, extra Lunchables, things of that nature. And here is the deli compartment where I keep the cheeses and the deli meat. So I take everything out of the package, and what I usually do is I cut the expiration date off of the packaging, and I will tape them onto one of the pieces at the very bottom to know when the expiration date is, because you do need to know when your food is expiring. And I've done the same thing with the butter as well. I've taken them all out of the boxes, and there is the expiration date. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.